What is prompt? Prompt is nothing but a question, but a sentence only. Suppose I am asking a question to you, it's a prompt only. Yeah? So what is the difference between a question and a prompt? That suppose you are following some pattern, you are following some rules, you are following some algorithm. So that time it will be a prompt. Instead of suppose asking what are you doing, instead of that, if I modify it and if I follow the large language models pattern and all those things, that will be a prompt. So in a professional language, if I say what is prompt and what is prompt engineering is the practice of designing and optimizing input prompts to achieve the best possible responses from a large language model like ChatGPT. It involves crafting specific, detailed, and context rich prompts that guide the model to produce a desired output. So, this is the prompt engineering is the more creative you will be, the more better answer you will get from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. Okay, so again I'm saying the more creative you will be, the more better answer you will get from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools.